Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the tub hose on a Kenwood washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your washing machine is leaking from underneath from the dispenser area, the hose is likely to be split and will need to be replaced. Start by removing the top panel, take out the two screws at the back and put it to one side. The tub hose is located under the dispenser and connects from the dispenser to the tub. If it is split, it will cause a large leak. To remove the dispenser, you will need to take out the soap drawer. Pull forward and push down the clip at the back to release and remove. There are two screws going through the control panel into the dispenser that need to be removed. The hose is held onto the dispenser by a Jubilee clip, so use a pair of pliers to drop it down and unhook the hose and lift out. Use a screwdriver or nut spinner to remove the clip attaching it to the tub. Place the new hose into position on the tub. Make sure it goes all around the tub before securing the clip. Place the dispenser into position to fit into the top part of the tub hose. Push the hose on and lift the end of the hose over the ridge, then refit the clip. Locate the dispenser into the cabinet, as there is a slot for it to fit into. Refit the two screws into the dispenser through the control panel and put the soap drawer back in. Now just the top to put back on. And there we have it, one sump hose replaced on a Kenwood washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.